Test your English with farm animals. I'm going to say the word in Spanish and you're going to have to say it in English. Let's do it. Vaca, cow, buey, ox, toro, bull, venado, deer, camarón, shrimp, cabra, goat, loro o perico, parrot. Follow for more.